everybody, Geekers here with another Geekers Tries, and I'm doing it on these Lowry's Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. I know somebody else has already done these on YouTube, but I actually found these and I thought, I'm gonna try these, so I'm going to go microwave them and come back, so you might have a jump cut. Okay, I'm back. They're done microwaving, and these are what they look like. They come out rather interesting, so here we go. Actually, not that bad. Actually, pretty tasty for microwavable pork rinds. Now, I didn't cook them all the way, so I was able to only eat the ones that were cooked fully, but not bad. I might have to pick more of these up. So these are Lowry's Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. Pick them up. You'll be pleasantly surprised. So this has been Geekers Tries with Microwave Pork Rinds.